Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make hard candy apples. First, select firm, medium-sized apples and wash them very well to remove any waxy coating. This ensures the candy adheres properly. Then, firmly insert a wooden stick or skewer into the stem end of each apple, pushing it about 2/3 of the way through. This provides a secure handle for dipping and enjoying your delicious treat. Next, let's create the vibrant candy coating. In a heavy-bottomed saucepan, combine 2 cups of granulated sugar, 1 cup of water, and 1/2 cup of light corn syrup. Stir gently until the sugar dissolves, then stop stirring. Bring the mixture to a boil over medium-high heat, monitoring with a candy thermometer until it reaches exactly 300 degrees F or 150 degrees C. This precise temperature is crucial for that perfect hard candy crunch. Now for the fun part, dipping. Once your syrup reaches temperature, carefully tilt the pan and dip each prepared apple, rotating it quickly to ensure an even thin coating. Work swiftly as the syrup cools and thickens. Allow any excess to drip off, then place the coated apples onto a baking sheet lined with greased parchment paper. Let them cool undisturbed at room temperature until the candy hardens completely, which usually takes about 30 minutes. Once your hard candy apples are perfectly set, they're ready to be enjoyed. For optimal freshness, store each apple individually wrapped in cellophane or a small plastic bag at room temperature. This prevents them from sticking together and protects the candy coating. While they are best enjoyed within 2 to 3 days, they can last a bit longer. Share these delightful treats with friends and family, or savor them yourself.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.